Okay, one more quick review. And the next video, with the pink girl and the Kita guy. Yeah, the video before that, or the scene. Sorry about that scene. I'm not very good on the computer. For some reason, it makes my voice sound just a tad higher. In person, a lot of my friends and family tell me that I'm a good singer, so too bad I can show you in person. Sorry, that's my TV. Okay. This review is just a 2-figure review. Number 2. Right here. This is Ugnaught. The cool Ugnaught. The one that looks kind of like a pig with the 2 very short teeth like that right there. Stormtrooper Imperial Blaster. I made him into a bounty hunter. Since I don't have the other guy, why not pretend there's this one that's a bounty hunter? So that worked. And then another bounty hunter. Don't know his name. I'll have to go on the computer and look up all the names again. I already did that once, but I've been forgetting for some reason. They're all so funky and such funky and weird names, so yeah. Well, that's all for now. Oh, one more thing. Kingdom Keepers 3. I've already finished number 1, 2, and now we'll be finishing number 3. Best book series in the world. I'm telling you, this is a great book. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.